Welcome in to another woolly review. Emu woolly review. The emu. A classic Aran of 100 grams. Now, this is on a couple of different websites, but the cheapest that I did find it was at Knitting Network for £1.89. There are, I think, 21 different colours of this. This one is the colour Air Force, which is a very typical English Air Force blue. 100 grams, 210 meters, 229 yards, 100% premium acrylic. So let's give this a go. Now this is in the current Woolly Wednesday giveaway. So regardless of what I think of this, you may have your own opinion. And if you win it, you can definitely make your own opinion. Okay, so we're only going to do a small swatch because this is going to somebody else. I don't want to use too much, even though it's going back on the ball. Okay, so we're going to do a row of single crochet. Now this is feeling very, very soft on the ball, and like this, pretty soft too. I'm quite surprised. I was expecting something a little rougher. And for an Aran weight, that's a heck of a lot on a ball for a cheap price. Now 21 colours are pretty scattered. I couldn't find anywhere that actually showed how many colours they have all together. So I do apologise, but 21 is all I could find. Let's do a row of half double crochet. Now this was a recommended, Lisa, you've got to try it thing. So here I am trying it. I haven't come across it before. It's the first. Oops, we're curling. I don't want to curl. And let's do one more with double crochet. There is definitely stretch in there. I think if you pulled it hard enough, oops, you would break it. I think, but it's definitely got a fair old bit of elasticity in there. Feeling lovely and thick. I would say it's on the chunkier side of an Aran. I mean, it still feels like an Aran, but I think it's on the chunkier side. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Do you know what I mean? Okay. And one in the end. Just randomly higgledy-piggledy. We're not here to judge my crochet skills. not bad. Definitely wearable, for sure. Interesting. Look at me spreading my germs all over it. Not bad stitch definition on there. So let's see how it frogs. Fingers crossed, Emu. We'll do half nice and slow. And for that half, it seems we have no problem. Now let's go frog on a moped. Oops, too quick. And very little kinkage. Very little kinkage. Well. What can I say? I mean, like this, it doesn't feel all that. It feels okay. It feels nice. But nice. Working with it. Nice. But what am I going to review it as? How many ladybirds? £1.89 for 210 meters of Aran. I would say that's a blooming good price. A blooming good price. So, Emu, what do I give you? Well, I definitely wouldn't turn my back on it. And I wouldn't be angry if I really needed an Aran and that was the only one in the shop. Definitely not. Would it be in my top 5? Yes. I think pretty much it'd also be in my top 3. And I'm going to push it real good, and go with a 4.5 out of 5. Purely because there's not that much colour in this, but brilliant price for brilliant meterage. Feels really nice and soft. Frogs brilliantly. I think this is a winning Aran. Just a shame there aren't enough colours. I mean, there's a fair few there, but, you know, it'd be nice to have a few more. But that's my opinion. You have your own. If you've tried it, let me know what you think. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Go for it. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.